Hello everyone, this is lecture 395. We have already plotted this banking and cutting, how this ground flow, this is in banking, this is in cutting. So we have derived the formula for total area A, B, C, D. So we have written the important formulas. So area ABCD is SB square plus R square within bracket 2BD plus SD square divided by R square minus S square, where R is the slope of ground and S is the slope of embankment. You can say side width W, this is capital W, that is you can say A to G, AG you can say, that is B RS divided by R plus S within bracket D plus B by R. So for the another D is at GH, you can say GH या HG equals to your horizontal distance side width equal to B plus R by S divided by R plus S within bracket D minus B by R. Here D minus B by R, here D plus B by R. That difference is only there. That side slope AB, that this side slope AB equals to W minus B divided by S root over S square plus 1, and CD equals to W minus S root over S square plus 1. S is your side slope of embankment. Length AE, this is AE length along the ground, you can say ground slope, ground length AE. AE is W, capital W by R within bracket R square plus 1 over root over. And for the next, this D equals to W by R root over R square plus 1. This is this way. Calculation of quantity of earthwork can be done by using three methods, that is mean sectional area method, in which mean depth is taken d1 by d2 by 2. So and the mean harmonic slope R equal to 2r1 and 2r2 divided by r1 plus. If r1 is the same, then it's okay, you can take R, otherwise you have to use this formula. The average AM, you can see, that is this is AM into L. You will use this formula for AM, where D will be your D1 plus D2 by 2. By using this formula you can. For mean sectional area we use 1 by 2. You take 1 in A1 by using this formula for D1, and for A2 you put D2 and A1 plus average and multiply by L. And the third is President formula, where you can use L by 6 A1 A2 plus 4am. For A1 you use this formula putting D1, and for A2 you use D2 length, and for A1 the average of A1 plus A2 can be done. So in this way you can calculate by using the President formula, which we have done in the plain areas. So in hilly areas you can use the same type of problem, but area is governed by this formula. Thank you for being with me.